Okay guys, so today we're going to be making a butterfly pea flower tea, but this time we're going to be adding some lime to it. And we're going to notice what happens when we add the lime to it, okay? So the first thing I did was rinse out my butterfly pea flowers here. I have about maybe 6 or 7 flowers here. So we're going to add that to our infuser. Okay, I have my hot water here. I'm going to pour into the infuser now. Okay, and we're going to leave this to steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so now that our butterfly pea flower tea is finished steeping, we're going to add it now to our teacup. All right, now the star of the show this morning is actually going to be this lime, because you're going to see as I add this lime to it, it's going to change color. So you notice it has a nice blue tinge here. You can see that. But notice what color is going to change. Can you guess? Why not try guessing the color? Put it in the comments below what color you think it's going to change when I add this lime to it. All right, so let's do that. Can you see that? It has changed to purple. That's right. So when you add acid to the butterfly pea flower tea, it turns purple. I'm going to sweeten this with about a teaspoon of honey. You don't have to. You could omit the honey if you don't want to, but I'm going to add the honey. If you are interested in seeing some of the benefits of the butterfly pea flower tea, check the video at the end of this video so that you can see another video I did highlighting the benefits of the butterfly pea flower tea. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This one was highlighting the butterfly pea flower with lime. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.